Hey guys, and welcome to the Akinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn to extract the file name from any possible type of path. So let's get started. So first things first is I've saved my path inside a variable called as your path. Then I'm simply going to import OS, and as you know, OS is such a useful tool that it has every possible function related to files, folders and directories. So obviously I'm going to use a function. So first thing is I'll call a variable called as file, and now I'm going to use the OS library, and within that I'm going to use dot path, and then I'll use a function called as base name, and within that I'll put the your path, and now I've simply got to print the file, and as you can see I get the file, that is the file.py from this path. Likewise, as I said, we can use any possible path and the function will find the name of the file. So let's test it out. Now I'm going to use another method of a path gen formation, that is using the double forward slash, and now if I run this, as you can see, we right back again get the file.py as the file name. So I hope this video helps you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Akinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.